Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to substitute cornstarch. Use flour. Flour can easily be used in a pinch. Use arrowroot. Made from the root of the plant of the same name, this type of starch is an easy one-to-one substitution for cornstarch. Use potato starch. Use tapioca flour. Use rice flour.
Take our lead.
Here are 5 of the best cornstarch substitutes for all your thickening needs. All-purpose flour. Yep, that's right. All-purpose flour is a very stable thickener. Arrowroot powder. Potato starch. Rice flour.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Almond flour unsweetened. Use about 1 tablespoon of this flour to substitute for an equal amount of cornstarch. You can also use almond flour for sweet dishes like cakes, cookies, muffins, sweetbreads, streusel scones, and tons of other desserts.
Take our lead.
It can be replaced with flour, arrowroot, potato starch, tapioca, and even instant mashed potato granules. The ingredient you are most likely to have on hand, of course, is flour, so we'll start with that. When you want 1 cup of liquid to be fairly thick, it takes 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Take our lead.
Cornmeal is not ground as fine as cornstarch, and it can be used to thicken soup and sauces as well, but with much less smooth results. Plus it tastes much more like corn, and has a grittier texture. You can replace a bit of the flour in a recipe and use cornmeal instead, for additional flavor and texture.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
So cornstarch, wheat starch, potato starch, rice starch, etc. will work, no matter what name they are sold under, e.g. you are more likely to find rice flour than rice starch. Try to avoid starches that are high in amylopectin, waxy starches. For the pavlova you want fluffiness in the starch.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.